Hey, Stone Gold, this is Ira Walker again, back with another song for y'all this week. I just want to say Mado for all the encouraging words that people have been giving me. Different people have get in contact with me, like on Facebook and even just on the comments and stuff, on here on YouTube, and people have been just leaving real encouraging words, and letting me know that they're thankful for these songs, for putting them out there, and that was all my goal was just to put the songs out there, not really to, to teach them or anything like that, but just to get them out there so people can hear them. And I know I'm not the best singer. I'm not I don't know all the songs. I just know what I know, and just trying to share with y'all what I know. That's the only way people are going to learn. Is if we just start sharing it, let people know about these songs, and it's some may say I sing them too fast or whatever, but one thing I've learned throughout the years is that you'll go to one church and they'll sing them real fast, and you go to another church and they'll sing them real slow, and then some churches are kind of in between, and then some churches have their own tunes, kind of a different tune than what you're used to, and so there's all kinds of different ways to sing the songs, and this is just how I usually lead them and how I sing them usually, and kind of the area that I'm in, they sing them kind of fast, but not real fast, they don't sing them real slow, but it's I guess you'd say like a moderate tempo, but it really just depends on what you like, if you want to sing it slow, sing it slow. If you want to sing it fast, sing it fast, but my goal is just to get the songs out there, and I know, like I said, I'm not the best at it, but I just want to share what I know, so hopefully it's an encouragement to you. Hopefully it helps you in you trying to learn some songs, again, I use these little Espoke hymnal Stephen Randall put out. Mine's falling apart, but it's a lot easier to use these songbooks now than what it used to be, because used to that you just had to really listen, trying to catch that first verse, about what the song was, and trying to catch what they were saying. That way you could find it in the songbook, and that's how I learned. I didn't have anybody that really taught me. I just sat in church and listened, and then tried to find it in the songbook, and had my recorder with me, and I'd listen to the songs, and eventually I learned, but that's all it takes, you just gotta put in some effort. But I wanted to share this song with y'all. It's called Oketv Espoke. It's saying that this day is the last time. It says when morning comes, we will see each other. Christians have gone on, and that we will see each other there, talking about there in heaven. It's a song usually heard at funerals. Just because it's just talking about the last time that we may see each other. But it's also a praise song, a prayer song, so you'll hear it different times just besides funerals. But I want to share this one with y'all today. Oketv Espoke Jakaves Oketv Espoke Chakades Mikosa Bagya Beyana Abiyana Mante Chakades Oketv Espoke Netayako abiyana abiyana mande chakades oketane espoke netarayako te chakades akasamagi abiyana abiyana mande chakades oketane espoke netarayako te